$90.
Holy Toledo, what are we doing now? Well, in order to move these massive Dana Ultimate 60 axles and Nitto 40-inch tires, we needed a little more assistance from the steering department. So we're replacing everything in the steering system with PSC Hydro Assist steering. So let's get her done.
Gotta break out some wrenches
No slouch job there, bud.
and pull that motor mount stand off the motor and swap it out with PSCs so you can mount your pump to it and get rid of the electronic pump, which is where your new reservoir hides out.
Dang. And then once you got to do all that, you got to come down here and cut all this up and weld up new bracketry to these brand new Dana 60s.
Yeah,
Which is crazy. I mean, it's kind of the theme of the build.
cut it, weld it, grind it, cut it, weld it, no grind it.
Crazy. And then yeah, these end links are kind of hitting, so we might have to go to the Icon sway bar end links, huh? So crazy how much of a puzzle it all is. Bolt-on parts, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. People talk about bolt-on. Oh, it's just bolt-on. I mean, I don't know. At what point is it not? I think this is the point. I think we've gotten there.
Yeah, new Dana 60s, just cut them off. Whatever you gotta do, make it work. Ah!
Another scary moment for sure. It's like when he was cutting the frame, except different. Don't mess up my Yeti sticker.
Cutting that stuff up.
Those are some nice logos there, bud. So yeah, PSC. So PSC is one of the only big names on the truck that's not a sponsor of the build. And they're super busy. We contacted them, but we knew we needed their kit, so we just ended up skipping it. But yeah, this Yeti drag link trek bar, all that stuff's gonna work well with the PSC. Amazingly enough, we were able to retain all of the Steer Smarts components, those big red bar up there, the track bar, the drag link, and we did replace the tie rod only to adapt it to the Dana 60 axles. So that was absolutely amazing that we snapped the front axle, broke the shock shaft, bent the arm, and these components are still super solid. A true testament to the strength and quality of that solid American-made Steer Smart steering components, baby. Woo! Power on. Gas on. Bluetooth pairing. Welding in process. Zap. Dang. There it is.
We've got our nice PSC ram installed.
Oh yeah.
We've got our pressure ports for the ram here, right?
Uh-huh.
We're gonna have hoses that run from there up to those two silver caps over there, right?
Yep. I see those two silver caps.
We're gonna install lines from those two silver caps to these two ports.
Uh-huh.
If we ever blow a line, we can come in, cap off the steering gearbox, get rid of the lines coming to the ram, and get us to where we're going until we can get another line made.
Do that, Phil, if it ever happens, okay?
So, where the do you want these?
Oh, bleep! Family, yeah,
You're on Family Guy.
in the Jeep. Let's put him in the Jeep.
Where in the Jeep, Phil?
It's important to know this stuff, people. It's important to know. So Kevin was just telling me that with the PSC Hydro Assist, I don't have to worry about death wobble anymore because the hydraulic assist is going to be constantly putting pressure on both ends, so these wheels can't death wobble. He said it better. It sounded way cooler when he said it. Whatever. Wow, that's just so easy to get to. Once the whole inner fender's off, right, Kevin?
Yeah. Going in.
Very nice. Yeah, that looks a little more cleaned up. Look at our little steering box cooler. That looks pretty nifty in there, huh?
Would you look at that?
You look at that and you look at that. Wow, I am so impressed with this steering, and it will prove to be one of the best upgrades that we did to the Jeep. So make sure you subscribe. Don't miss a couple more videos and we'll have this thing on the road. The only question is, are you down to mob?